All right, guys, so in this activity, you had to take a look at a little video of the water cycle. The whole point of watching this video was for us to learn a few things. Number one, the video focused in on the sun right here. This is our main source of radiation, which is energy that gets emitted throughout space without any direct connections. And what that's doing, that energy is hitting this water right here. And that water is absorbing that energy. Remember, there's no such thing as cold energy. Everything we talked about in the atmosphere is all about energy being absorbed or released. So the water down here is absorbing that radiation from the sun, and evaporation is occurring. That's one of our phase changes. Evaporation is happening when water turns into a vapor. And now, throughout the rest, what's going to happen is that water vapor is going to get carried throughout the atmosphere, and it's going to begin to cool down. How do we know it's cooling down? We see condensation happening right here, and that's what's being represented by this black arrow. That's the release of energy and then condensation happening. Now the video continues for a little bit, and then we just see that water molecule fall down back to the earth and gets put back into the water cycle, into the groundwater, and then the whole process starts over again. Well, the whole take-home message here is this. We get energy from the sun. We call that energy radiation. The water will go ahead and absorb radiation and evaporate. Eventually, that water will cool off by releasing energy, and condensation will happen. That was the whole take-home message from the video, and that's what we saw in the box in the activity that you did as well. Let me know if you have any questions in class.